Hello, all. Greetings of the day. Myself, Sahil Shah, along with my team members Deep Thebar and Bhargav Pandya. We are representing Team Sahil Panthers from India. So today we are here for the GE2 pitch contest presentation. And first of all, I like to thank the GE2 to give us this kind of the platform to represent our business idea, which we develop our business skills, and also all the professors who have given the guidelines through the workshop. So we have come up here with the problem or like that urea plywood, and the idea is urea free plywood. So the one of the main problem that we have observed, that is a study on problem faced by the customer or audiences of urea on furniture due to poor quality of plywood. As we have seen that the furniture are mainly made of the woods, and due to the some of the problems like urea happen, and the customers and the prospects needs to change their plywood products and furniture, which is very costly, which around 5 to 10 lakhs you are spending on the furniture, and next in a 1 or 2 years you are facing the problems to change the furniture due to urea. So this is one of the biggest problem faced not in India only but all the countries. So we come up with different types of the solutions and how the problem will be solved. Problem that idea will solve this rule of furniture due to urea in plywood. What is the main problem? The problem of urea in plywood arises from the use of urea formula resin as bonding agent during the plywood manufacturing process. As the various manufacturers are not using proper types of the chemicals, not using the proper kind of types of the standards which will be made while making the plywood, which happen the urea in just 1 or 2 years, and the customers needs to change the plywood. So we come with the that who are the target customers for our the plywood business. So our main target customers are renovation homes, that the customer who are making their renovating homes. So they want such kind of the plywood for which lasting for 3 to 4 years. Floor mill shops, like floor mill as in India, in Rajkot area, we have seen the most of the floor mills, like in Hindi we can say Karganti. So they are mainly focused on the plywood products. And new furniture customers are obviously those who want to prepare the that furniture. They are using the plywood, and they are generally using waterproof plywood 7110 grade and 320 grade. Who are the competitors? The competitors are Green Ply, Century Ply, and Chroma Ply. Century Ply is having 60% market in the world, and Green Ply is having 28% in the Chroma Plywood is one of the biggest brand in the plywood in India. How problem is addressed? Many countries and the regions are having different types of the standards. Like in India, we have 7110 grade for the fully waterproof plywood and 3110 grade for the semi-waterproof plywood, which will be the urea based. So they are giving as per the environment problems and areas types of the agencies. What are the solution? That solution is to provide free plywood, free urea free plywood. We will use certain types of the chemicals. We will use certain types of the standards to solve that problem. What is the idea statement? To launch 100% urea free plywood in the market with proper testing. Okay, first of all, we will test in the laboratory, and then we will provide that particular plywood in the market, which will help the customer for the long lasting. Competitive advantage, yes, we have strategic, as we will give 100% urea free plywood in lowest cost with someone, where we will use certain kinds of the chemical. We will export that particular chemicals from the different countries, which will generally can be helpful to us. Idea judgment, as we have innovative, unique, and timely. Yes, we will give timely products so that the customers will make the furniture for 3 to 4 years will be lasting. It will be innovative, that we are giving it that in less cost, high quality, and which will be unique, that you will get say, waterproof plywood plus urea free plus chemical free plywood in the very less cost. So this is the generally the whole the costing, that the for if we will cost price per is 52 rupees per estimated price per unit will be 78, will be the after all the expenses. And if we will sell the 56, and the profit per month will be 10 lakh 40,000 Indian rupees. Total sales if will per month 31 lakh, and total cost 20 lakh, total cost 270, total revenue will be 31 lakh 20, total profit will be of 10 lakh 40,000. If we will start the business, it is necessary that we must have the proper types of the sources. So we have from either we use our capital from our one venture to the another. Second, we will must have the loan. We can use business loans, or then we can also start with the partnership from the same country from this or other business. So this will be the key things in our product, that it will increase the stability of furniture. It will must be urea free, 100% full waterproof, chemical resistance, full core and full panel, 15 layer, 15 core ply. So it will be long lasting for the business, and it will be panel sheet. So this all about our venture Sahil Plywood. Thank you, GE, for this giving certain kinds of the platform where we can express our idea. And we can also thank you to all the professor once again who have given the all the guidelines regarding entrepreneurship. Thank